The painter's palette. Embracing dreams against all odds. In the small town of Harmonyville, there lived a young girl named Isabella. She was known for her boundless optimism and never-ending determination. Isabella's greatest dream was to become a skilled painter and share her art with the world. However, there was a problem. Harmonyville had no art school, and her family couldn't afford to send her to a distant city to pursue her passion. Despite the odds, Isabella refused to give up on her dream. She spent every free moment studying famous artists and practicing her painting. She would sneak into the library after school, losing herself in art books and soaking up knowledge like a sponge. Isabella's room turned into a mini art studio, filled with colorful canvases and the smell of paint. One day, news arrived that a renowned art teacher, Mr. Winslow, was visiting Harmonyville to conduct a workshop. Isabella's heart leapt with excitement. She knew that this might be her only chance to learn from a master and showcase her talent. She decided to gather her courage and seek out an opportunity to meet Mr. Winslow. With her portfolio in hand, Isabella arrived at the town hall where the workshop was being held. A long line of eager artists stretched ahead of her, but she patiently waited for her turn. As the hours passed, she overheard others discussing their art backgrounds and their access to resources she could only dream of. Doubt began to gnaw at her heart, but she remembered the words of her grandmother. "Every great journey begins with a single step, my dear." Finally, it was Isabella's turn to meet Mr. Winslow. Nervously, she showed him her portfolio, explaining her love for art and her dream of becoming a painter. Mr. Winslow was impressed by her determination and her raw talent. He looked deep into her eyes and said, "Isabella, I see something special in you. Keep working hard, and never let anyone or anything stand in the way of your dreams." Those words were like fuel to Isabella's soul. She left the workshop feeling a renewed sense of purpose. Instead of being disheartened by her lack of formal training, she saw it as an opportunity to explore her unique artistic voice. With the support of Mr. Winslow, Isabella started organizing small art events in Harmonyville. She painted murals on abandoned walls, turning them into colorful masterpieces that brought joy to the community. Slowly but steadily, her reputation grew, and more people started recognizing her talent. One day, a local businessman saw her work and offered to sponsor her art education in the city. Tears of gratitude welled up in Isabella's eyes as she realized that the universe was conspiring to help her fulfill her dreams. In the bustling city, Isabella flourished in art school. She met like-minded souls, refined her techniques, and explored various art forms. Her passion for art inspired others, and she became a mentor for young aspiring artists. Years passed, and Isabella's artwork transcended boundaries. Her paintings were displayed in prestigious galleries around the world, touching the hearts of millions. People admired her talent, but what they cherished even more was the story of her relentless pursuit of a dream against all odds. Isabella's journey from a small-town dreamer to an internationally acclaimed artist became a symbol of hope and perseverance. She often reminded people, "Believe in yourself and embrace your unique journey." Success is not defined by where you come from but by where you're headed and the path you choose to follow. And so, the tale of Isabella, the painter from Harmonyville, lived on through generations, inspiring countless souls to chase their dreams and believe in the magic that lies within each one of us.